Hi guys, how are you? I hope you all will be fine. In this video I am going to tell you how to read deleted messages from WhatsApp. So before starting video, I request you to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more latest technology videos. So guys, please watch this video full. Don't miss any step. Okay, so let's start. I am going to show you my WhatsApp. This is my WhatsApp. Here I am typing a message. Hi. Now send. I have installed. Here I have installed two WhatsApp by application Dual Space. Now I am going to another WhatsApp. Open. You can see here. Hi. Now go back again to first WhatsApp and delete here message. Delete for everyone. Okay, now this message is deleted and go back to other WhatsApp. Check. This is saying this message was deleted. So now how do we read this message? You need to go to your Play Store, search NotiSave. Now install it. This is now installing. This is now installed and now open it. Open. Give access. Allow. Okay, next. NotiSave. Allow. Go back. Allow. Loading app list. Here you can select whose notification you want to read. Here WhatsApp already selected, you can see here. So go back and now go to your WhatsApp. Here I am sending message hi again, and on other WhatsApp check it. This is hi. So I deleted this message again. Deleted. Delete for everyone. Now go back again. Check. This is saying this message was deleted. Now go how to read this message. Go to your application NotiSave. Open it. And here this is saying two messages from hi. From the WhatsApp, these messages was deleted, but now they are saved. You can read anytime after deletion. So this is video. I hope you will be like. If you like, don't forget to subscribe us.